Get out of here!
See? Ang ganda naman ng shower mo na.
No one in my baby.
Stop! Oh my gosh!
Get out of here!
Where's ate?
I don't know.
Ren? Ito labas. Paano lalabas dito? Oh, look at that! It's nice! Ayan na yung strip. Eh, si Ita, no? Itong kwarto ni ate.
Look at that.
Isara mo yung pinto dyan!
Why?
Isara mo yan. Asa si ate? Hi, ate! Akala ko maliligo ka na.
Because you're still there, the road. Get out of here!
Ano to dito? Ihi mo na ako.
No!
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Go leave now.
Dad, is it lit outside?
Yes, Irak!
Oh my gosh, I want to see.
Wait, can I take a video on there?
Yeah.
Dito? Sige, video ako.
Now?
Yes. Dito tayo lumabas kasi naliligo si Ethan niya. Makikita mo yung puwet niya. Sige, dyan na lang, dyan na lang. Hold on, baka